Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys, how can we off battery saver mode in our Oppo phone. Guys, you want to off your battery saver, so then how can you off? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. And you can see guys your phone battery setting friends, tap here. Then guys you can see your battery saver means guys your power save mode guys, battery saver mode guys you want to off. Guys you can off from this right side guys. When you will off guys, your brightness will increase automatic, and guys you can see your battery indicator was yellow and guys now is normal. So guys you want to off your battery saver mode, so you can off like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. You have any doubt related to get your phone battery setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.